Is your 2014 Mazda 6 key fob not working? Don't worry, it's a common issue often caused by a dead battery, signal interference, or synchronization problems with the car's immobilizer. First, try replacing the CR232 battery. Pry open the fob using a coin, remove the old battery, and insert a new one, ensuring correct orientation. If that doesn't work, signal interference could be the cause. Move away from potential sources like other electronic devices or metal objects, and try again. If a new battery doesn't fix the problem, you'll need to relearn or resync the key fob to your Mazda. Start by getting inside your car with the key fob. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Cycle the door locks 4 to 5 times within 10 seconds to enter programming mode. Then, press any button on the key fob to sync it. If this doesn't work, the issue may be with the immobilizer. Try cycling the ignition while holding the fob close to the start button. If problems persist, a Mazda-specific scanner or a mechanic may be required to reset the ECU, especially if you have immobilizer glitches.